This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get a GitHub token. Whether you're new to GitHub or just need a refresher, this guide will help you generate a personal access token with ease. First, let's start by logging into your GitHub account. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From this list, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar menu. You'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu. Here, you'll find the Developer Settings option. Click on it to proceed. This section is specifically designed for managing your development tools and access tokens, which is exactly what we need. Once you're in Developer Settings, observe the expanded menu on the left. You'll see several options here, but we're interested in personal access tokens. Click on it, and then select Fine-Grained Tokens. This area is crucial as it allows you to generate tokens with specific permissions tailored to your needs. At the top right of the Fine-Grained Tokens page, you'll notice a button labeled Generate New Token. Click this button to start the process of creating your personal access token. This tool is essential for accessing various GitHub features programmatically and integrating with other services. Now that we're creating a new token, it's time to configure its parameters. This part is important because it determines what your token can and cannot do. You'll need to specify details like the token's name, expiration date, and the scopes or permissions it should have. Carefully consider what you need this token to access. For example, if you only need it for reading repository content, make sure to select only those permissions. This minimizes security risks and ensures your token is as secure as possible. Once you've set all your parameters, review them to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied with your selections, proceed to generate your token. Remember, once the token is created, you'll only be able to view it once, so be sure to copy it and store it securely. It's a good idea to paste it into a secure Notes app or a password manager. This token acts like a password, so treat it with the same level of security. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a GitHub Personal Access Token. This token is a powerful tool that can help you automate tasks, access data programmatically, and integrate with various services. Always remember to keep your tokens safe and regularly review and revoke any tokens you no longer need to maintain the security of your GitHub account. By following these straightforward steps, you can now easily manage your GitHub Personal Access Tokens. Thanks for watching and happy coding.